Good morning, ma.
Good morning, ma. You are calling me, ma?
What is bad by me greeting you, ma?
It's bad. Everything is bad. You are calling me, ma?
I don't understand, no.
Did I senior you? I senior your mama.
You're a big woman, and that's why I'm greeting you now. This one you're doing like this. Is it bad for one to greet again?
It's bad for calling me, ma. Can't you say it starts here?
You are ma.
Aforoma. Aforoma. Aforoma.
What have I done wrong for me to greet
You have done everything wrong by calling me, ma.
Please.
By calling me, ma.
Madam,
How can you call me, ma? Afongoma. Afongoma.
Please take it easy.
Aba say you me have you ven. Aba say you me have you ven. Which you carry fu? Who carry fu? Who carry fu? Me do carry fu.
Follow me again now. What is this one now?
Why will you call me, ma?
All this one for?
Why will you call me, ma?
See, I used to respect people. Oh. If you want that thing, if that thing just enter my head, I will bet I will not know whether you are someone's mother or